Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For this video, I'm gonna be making a DIY treats for Mother's Day. So, hindi natuloy yung travel namin pa Philippines and meron sila akong mga pasalubong na chocolates. So, ito po sila. Yan yung mga chocolates. Ang iba na bigay na namin. First sila may expire, dapat na silang ma-dispose. So, nagka-idea ako na gamitin na lang siya for the Mother's Day treats na gagawin ko. Tapos ibibigay ko sa mga co-employees ko na mga momshies. Ito po yung sample. Ito po yung chocolate. Diyan po dyan sa loob. So, these are the materials. I have here this tin pail. I got this from Walmart. It's only 97 cents. So, good deal. Tapos, meron akong treat bags. Nakuha ko rin to sa Walmart. It's just only like $1. It has, I think, 25 pieces. My bag at my tie na siya. And I also have here some tissue for gift stuffing. So from the gifts na natanggap ko before, so I'm just gonna reuse them for this project. Tapos, I have also printouts. I'm gonna use this here. I have a heart na may Proverbs 31:28 verse. So, my English at my Spanish kasi may mga co-employees ako ng mga Mexican. So, that's why I put English and Spanish. Tapos, I also have another printout. It says, Happy Mother's Day with the name ng bibigyan ko. Okay. For the tissue, nag-cut out lang ako ng 10 by 10 na pink at white. And I also need stick glue or regular glue, I think would work, and we also need a pair of scissors and of course the chocolates here. These are chocolates. Okay, I will start by filling up this treat bag with the chocolates. So, ano ko na to sila, na budget. I'm gonna put 10 pieces for this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, yung sa workplace ko, we have 18 mom sheets. So, gagawa tayo ng 18 na ganito today. Siya. One pack. One of this. Tapos, apat na Toblerone. Itong favorite ko na. One of my favorite chocolates. And then, 1, 2 of these. So, oops. Siya, guys. And then, itatie ko lang siya with this. If wala po kayong ganito, you can also use just a treat bag. Tapos, lagyan mo lang siya ng ribbon. I think, okay na rin yun. Maganda na rin siya. So, ang gagawin natin guys is i-position lang natin siya ng paganyan. I don't know if nagets niyo yung what I'm trying to say. So, pink, white, white. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, lang siya sa palm. And ilagay yung chocolate. And then, hindi siya pantay. Make sure na nasa center siya para pantay yung tissue paper. Ayan na siya. The chocolate's inside. Tapos, i-paste na natin yung sticker na Happy Mother's Day with the name here. Tapos, paste lang natin siya sa one side ng pail. Gamit tayo ng glue. May glue na. Tapos, i-paste lang natin. Okay. There you go. Very simple. And then, yung heart na may verse. Lagay mo lang siya somewhere here. And there you have it. And one down. One down, 17 more. So I'm just gonna start packing the chocolate. Mini Hershey's and bigger Hershey's. Bango nito. This mint kisses. Okay, we'll start packing them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This, 2 of these, and 4 of these. Ito na yung bags of chocolates. This time, I'm just gonna tie these gamit ito. Alright, ito na yung treats natin na natay na. And this time, I'm gonna be working on the tissue. And the white and the pink one. Alright guys, so we have now our chocolates in the bag, and I also have cut out tissue paper, and this time i-paste na natin itong Happy Mother's Day tags dito sa ating containers. ko nang nalagyan ng stickers. Happy Mother's Day. Ang ating mga pails, little pails. This time, it's time to put our pa-effect na tissue and the chocolate. Here. Yay! Tapos na natin silang lagay dito sa pail. And chocolates with the decoration. The last step is putting the heart. It's very simple lang to na DIY treat. You can also do this like Valentine's Day or special day na meron kayo. So, okay, let's put the hearts in there here sa ating mga pail with chocolate. Ilang natin sila. So, ito sa side. Ganyan. And gagawin lang natin yan. The rest of the pails.